Are you a freight forwarder, NVOCC, custom broker, or a third-party logistics company, multi-modal operator, or mover looking to streamline and upgrade your work efficiency? Look no further for a seamless solution to your requirements. Introducing eFreight Suite. eFreight Suite is the powerful freight forwarding system that has been matured for 15 plus years and implemented in 30 plus countries, and it has now become the industry benchmark. As a flagship product of New Age, it is the most robust, comprehensive, user-friendly, end-to-end ERP solution for the freight and logistics industry. We present to you a strong, virtual, on-site training for EFS to revolutionize the way you do business. Our deep domain knowledge, EDI compatibilities, and industry best practices allow us to meet business requirements of logistics, vertical and freight forwarders. For new to existing privileged customers, we have developed a customized training program. Engage with our trainers and your peers through our virtual sessions from your convenient location at your preferred time. The on-site training sessions are available exclusive for you and your colleagues at your preferred business premises. Our modules are structured for in-depth knowledge and expertise to facilitate efficiency and standardization. Some of the key topics we provide you a hands-on experience are a comprehensive sales module that helps you track record of all the sales in your organization as well as the efficiency of your sales team. From learning how to scale your sales process to forecasting the sales budget for your company, by identifying key areas of investment and the expected return, you will also gain access and better control of your offices in multiple branches. Customer operations on air, ocean and land modules will equip you with tools to reduce the time and effort on operating shipments and documents that can be customized based on the country's requirements. Learn to seamlessly manage your major reports. Coming to the finance module, you can learn accounts payable and accounts receivable transactions, which will help you get the accurate job profit report based on input data parameters. Not only that, but you also learn how to maintain multiple currency transactions. The reports module will help you equip with tools and techniques to give you a fair view of the finance debt position and profit stability of your company, enabling seamless future planning and decision making. Finally, with the value added services module, you will be able to leverage the features and services such as the mobile applications, web tools, etc. that let you synergize between other services and increase your productivity. The software is designed by industry specialists and stalwarts who will mentor, train, consult and coach you to run your business for a holistic goal of profitability and dynamic growth. Further, for a more hands-on approach, check out our ongoing versions of the user manual and FAQ document that you can access free of cost, enabling you to learn and refresh at your own pace. So reach out to your sales partner today and register yourself for our exclusive tailor-made training programs as we continue to build a community of business champions and leaders with the power of eFreight Suite.